Good afternoon, friends. This video I'm capturing on one of the important judgment coming from Gujarat High Court, and fact of the matter is Indian subsidiary company is providing consulting engineer services to its parent company registered outside India in Germany and treating the same as export of services. Department allegation that it is not export of services, as being they are merely establishment of distinct person. They have issued the so-called notice. This company has filed a writ petition in the Honorable Gujarat High Court and contended this so-called notice is ultra vires of the provision, relevant provision, explanation 3b of section 65b subsection 44 of the Finance Act, read with Rule 6A of Service Tax Rule 1994. Further stated, this is deterrent going against export of services and related scheme like SEIS and MEIS. Petitioner contended that as per explanation 3b of section 65b subsection 44, establishment means any branch, agency or representational office, and stated that they are neither a branch nor agency nor representational office. They are separately registered Indian subsidiary company registered under Companies Act 1956 and the parent company registered in Germany. They are separately registered and stated to satisfy that we have satisfied all 6 conditions of Rule 6A of the Service Tax Rule 1994. First condition was the supplier must be located in India, recipient must be outside India, place of supply must be outside India, money should have been received in convertible foreign exchange, and service exported should not be negative list of services. And the last one, the disputed one, they should not be merely establishment of distinct person, and stated clearly that they are separately registered. They are neither a branch nor agency nor representational office. Thereby they are satisfying all 6 conditions so as their services to be fall within export of services. Revenue's contention, department contention was this writ is not maintainable in terms of Article 226 to the Constitution of India because alternative remedy exists. Cause of action has not arisen because no adverse order is being passed going contrary to the right of petitioner. This was the contention of revenue, that this writ is not maintainable. Honorable Gujarat High Court held this so-called notice is ultra vires to the relevant provision explanation 3b of section 65b subsection 44 of Finance Act, read with Rule 6A of Service Tax Rule 1994, stated very clearly that this so-called notice is being issued beyond jurisdiction because proper officer has misinterpreted the provision of Rule 6A of Service Tax Rule 1994 as they are neither a branch nor agency nor representational office. They are separately legally registered company. Hence, they are satisfying all the condition and should not be termed as merely establishment of distinct person. It is export of service. Further, the Honorable Gujarat High Court has relied upon one of the Supreme Court judgment, Whirlpool Corporation versus Union of India, 1998, page 8, SCC. This alternative remedy is not a bar. Is not a bar in three specific situations when any fundamental right need to be enforced, or there is a violation of principal natural justice, or it is beyond jurisdiction, or ultra vires the act. Three specific situations that High Court take cognizance of, and writ are maintainable in spite of the fact alternative remedy exists. Having said that, they have said it is satisfying all the condition, it is export of services. If I take this judgment in GST perspective, even under GST, under section 2 subsection 6 of IGST Act, there are 5 conditions to be satisfied so as we can say services export of services. Hence, 0 rated. Under section 16 of IGST Act, supplier must be in India, recipient must be located outside India, place of supply must be outside India, money should be received in convertible foreign exchange, even in INR, Indian rupees, if permitted by RBI. This provision got amended from 1st February 2019, and supplier of service and recipient should not be merely establishment of distinct person. So what is establishment? Any branch, agency or representational office. If Indian company registered in India having separate legal entity and providing services to a parent company, holding company, registered outside India in Germany, then they should not be termed as merely establishment of distinct person, and that would be export of services. And the benefit of 0 rated supply should be provided on such export of services. So can we take clue of this Gujarat High Court judgment for the benefit in GST regime? Yes, we can. It is similar provision which we have seen in erstwhile Rule 6A Service Tax Rule. Now we are finding under section 2 subsection 6 of IGST Act. So Indian company and holding parent company both are separately registered and cannot be termed as merely establishment. So in GST, wherever refund is being denied on this ground, which we are finding that lot of BPO company, lot of IT, information technology related company, IT enabled service provider, refund are being denied, so cause notice are being issued only on this ground. So this Gujarat High Court judgment, I'm of the view, is a good judgment, and really this is the legal provision which need to be adhered to before issuance of so-called notice. So wherever so-called notice is being issued on this ground, it is beyond jurisdiction and we can definitely file a writ. Until the time any contrary judgment comes in, we can take the advantage of Gujarat High Court judgment in the case of Linde Engineering India Private Limited. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.